In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to attach documents in LinkedIn Mobile. By the end, you'll feel confident sharing PDFs, presentations, or Word files right from your phone, so your posts look polished and professional. Start by opening your LinkedIn Mobile app. Make sure you're on the home feed so you can begin creating a new post. Next, tap Post. This opens the composer where you draft what you want to share. Along the bottom, you'll see a row of options. Tap the plus icon to reveal more choices, and then select Document. This tells LinkedIn you want to attach a file rather than a photo or a video. Before you upload, LinkedIn will ask for a title. Go ahead and add a descriptive title for the document you're about to attach. Think of this as the headline your audience sees before they even open the file. Clarity helps here. Include the topic, key takeaway, or date, so people immediately know what they're looking at. Good titles can increase clicks and engagement. Now choose File. Your phone will open a file picker where you can browse your device storage or connected cloud services like a Files app. Locate the document you want to share, double-check it's the final version, and select it. Avoid files that are extremely large or contain sensitive information. If the file name is messy, the title you just wrote will still help it look professional in the post. After selecting your file, tap Next. You'll be taken back to the Post Composer with your document attached. Here's where you write a short description or add details that give your audience context. You can share the purpose of the document, highlight key points, or explain what you want readers to take away. Keep it clear and useful. A couple of concise sentences that set expectations and invite readers to engage work really well. If your document is longer, consider mentioning what's inside so people know whether it's relevant to them. At this point, your document is attached and ready to go, and your post includes the context your audience needs. That's really all there is to it. Open the app, tap Post, tap the plus icon, choose Document, add a strong title, pick your file, tap Next, and write a thoughtful description. It's a quick workflow, and once you've done it a few times, it becomes second nature. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.